Now we are going to discuss about boosting apparel productivity with Lean Six Sigma tools. In the highly competitive apparel industry, maintaining high productivity while ensuring quality is crucial for success. Lean Six Sigma is a methodology that combines the principles of lean manufacturing and Six Sigma. So understanding Lean Six Sigma is very important for us. So Lean Six Sigma integrates two methodologies, lean manufacturing and Six Sigma. Lean manufacturing focuses on eliminating waste and improving flow in production processes, where Six Sigma aims to reduce variation and improve quality by using statistical methods. Together, these methodologies provide a comprehensive approach to process improvement, ensuring that products are delivered efficiently and meet high quality standard. Key Lean Six Sigma tools for apparel productivity. We know Lean Six Sigma deals with DMAIC. So DMAIC means define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. In define phase, we must identify the problem or the area for improvement. In apparel industry, there are lots of areas where we face problems and we need to improve that areas. Then measure, collect data to understand the current performance. We must collect data so that we can analyze in next phase. So in next phase analyze, use the data to identify root causes. Here root cause is very much important for us. In the most cases, we forget to analyze the root causes. We go for the solution only. Without having the right root cause, we can't go for the long-term solution. So we should have root cause analysis. Next phase, improve. So implement solution to address the root causes. This could involve process design, equipment upgrades, or employee training so that all processes can be improved. Then in the last phase, control. Monitor the changes to ensure sustained improvement. We must control that. In another tool, that is 5S. 5S means sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. In nowadays, there is another S added, that is safety. So in 5S, sort, we remove unnecessary items from the workspace to reduce clutter and improve efficiency. Then set in order, we must organize them in order. Then shine, we must clean up and well maintained to ensure a safe and efficient working environment. Then standardize, develop a standard operating procedure to maintain consistency in the processes. And last, sustain, ensure that 5S practices are maintained over time through regular audits and employee involvement. Yes, we must involve the employees. Another tool is value stream mapping, that is VSM. We must measure all values in every step so that we can prepare value stream mapping. So it is a visual tool that helps identify and eliminate waste in production processes. By mapping out the entire production process from raw materials to finished products, apparel companies can pinpoint areas where time, resources, and efforts are wasted and take steps to streamline these processes. So that is very important. Another tool is Kaizen, that means continuous improvement. So you all know about that. Continuous improvement is very important to survive in the very competitive business era. So another tool is root cause analysis, that earlier I have mentioned that. So there are several tools to analyze root cause very deeply. So root cause analysis is very important. Root cause analysis involves identifying and underlying causes of problems rather than just addressing the symptoms. In the apparel industry, RCA can be used to determine why defects occur or why certain processes are inefficient, allowing companies to implement targeted solutions that address these root causes. Here are three case studies mentioned, where case study 1 showing that reducing production cycle time, implementing Lean Six Sigma. Then another case study improving quality control. Then another case study that enhanced inventory management, reducing inventory holding cost by 20%. So here are some practical tips for implementing Lean Six Sigma in apparel. So number 1, engage employees. We must engage employees so that they can understand every tools very deeply and say so that they know how these tools can be applied in every processes. And number 2 is invest in training. So we must engage training. Then 3, use data-driven decision making. We must collect and analyze data to guide improvement efforts. The number 4 tips, foster a culture of continuous improvement. That is very much important. Encourage a mindset of continuous improvement where employees regularly seek ways to enhance processes and reduce waste. So embracing Lean Six Sigma is not just a strategy for improvement, it is a commitment to excellence that can lead to lasting benefits for apparel manufacturers, retailers, and ultimately their customers. Hope you enjoyed the topic. Thank you.